Hi, the SI meteorologist Paul Dorian here on Tuesday, May 15th. Well, a batch of some heavy rain, including some embedded thunderstorms, is headed right now for the Philadelphia region. That'll head northeast towards New York City later on today. It's pulling out of the D.C. area right now, but it'll remain unsettled down there with a chance of another shower or thunderstorm. All of this associated with a wave of low pressure that developed along a stalled out front. That low will move through the Mid-Atlantic region today and then off to our north and east by tomorrow. However, we're not quite out of the woods yet for some unsettled weather on Wednesday, as a weak cold front will push in from the northwest and renew our threat for a shower or thunderstorm tomorrow afternoon. After that, it looks quite nice for the second half of the weekend, probably right through the upcoming weekend. Let's take a look at the latest surface map, and here's the low pressure right now down across the Carolinas, and it's kind of slowly moving, working its way up a stalled out frontal system. And again, there are some heavy showers and thunderstorms associated with this now, just pulling out of the D.C. area. We'll see on the radar next. It's now headed right for the Philadelphia region and should move right up the I-95 corridor later on today. Meanwhile, there's some clearing out here in the middle part of the country, and that is headed our way, but not until Thursday after this weak cool front passes through late tomorrow evening. Here's the latest radar loop, and here's that batch of precipitation now headed towards the Philadelphia area, then right up the I-95 corridor, kind of pulling out for the most part across D.C. They will have mostly cloudy skies, maybe even some brightening at times, but still another shower or thunderstorm cannot be ruled out for later on today. Meanwhile, heavy rain from the mid to late morning here in the Philadelphia region and probably during the afternoon across New York City as this whole mess moves to the north and east. And the worst of it will be out of here by tonight. However, again, there is a chance of a shower or thunderstorm, especially during the afternoon on Wednesday, as a weak cool front will approach from the northwest. Here's the latest GOES visible satellite image from the Penn State Ewald site. Thick clouds here, but you kind of can see the back edge of the clouds cutting through central Pennsylvania, maybe across the D.C. area like that. So the worst of the precipitation right now is now north and east of D.C. You can see some scalloping here, some embedded thunderstorms. All of this moving right up the I-95 corridor associated with heavy showers and some embedded thunderstorms. Again, some clearing is possible here across D.C. over the next several hours with mostly cloudy skies, but certainly some sunny intervals or certainly some brightening at times. But another shower or thunderstorm cannot be ruled out. Let's take a look at last night's Zero-Z GFS run. This is a computer map for tonight, and by this time there still is quite a bit of precipitation right here along the I-95 corridor being predicted by the GFS model. It's kind of a slow-moving system, so there certainly will be that threat right into the evening hours, and again overnight another shower or thunderstorm. And here's the weak cool front that right now is over the northern plains. It heads on in over the Great Lakes region by later on tonight. Now by tomorrow night, let's take a look. Here's a computer map for tomorrow night. By this time, that weak cool front has moved right into the Mid-Atlantic region, right about here, and that can renew our threat for a shower or thunderstorm, especially during the afternoon or early evening hours on Wednesday. Once that pulls out of here, this high pressure will take over and dominate the weather scene from Thursday on right through the upcoming weekend. Well, for the SIweather.com, I'm the SI meteorologist, Paul Dorian.